So the whole question of the day is to strip and repair this cabinet or not. Does it hurt the value to strip that finish and refinish it, fix it? I'm not going to do anything with the dings or anything until after I see. But that's the whole question of the day. This radio's been sitting in my dad's storage building for the last 40 years, 50 years. So, you know, I wiped the dust off of it and brought it in, and this is what I've got. Should I restore or not? First off, I don't really know how this thing comes out of how this chassis comes out of the cabinet. I know that there's 4 bolts on the bottom, and then I don't know if it's screwed in up there or not, but I'm kind of winging this. I couldn't find anything on YouTube about it, but I'm going to keep you guys around because, yeah, we are. We're not going to plug this in, and we're not going to do anything to it. I've got a gentleman that's going to give me a call later, and he's going to tell me whether I should bring this to him or not. Guys, y'all stay with me. This is going to be an adventure.
I do not understand why, but this one and this one did not have screws in it. This one and these 2 or these 3 right here controls have screws on them. They are small flat screws. As you can see, there's one that's almost the size of it. Let me see. They're like that. These seem to be wooden knobs with inserts.
Now, after removing the knobs on the front, take those 4 bolts loose in the bottom. This whole thing should slide right out. Let me find something to cushion this with. Now these wires are connected. These wires here are connected to the speaker. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that loose. It's a little black knob. Holds that on. And then there's some flat screws up in there that holds that little paper cone on the back of it. I dislike flathead screws. I don't see how Craftsman did it back in the day, because I cannot put one in or take one out without marring it up. I'm doing my very best today. That one's loose. Oh, wow. Okay.
Looks like our speaker is intact. At least it's intact. How do you get the speakers off of there? It going through that hole right there is throwing a big throwing a wrench in the damn pile. Let me figure out how to get this contraption off so I can get all this stuff out.
This is the 1956 Sam Houston State University Bearcats, undefeated conference champions. I just enjoy football.